Today at Computer World, we will be showing you some new features of the new iOS 8. Going into Settings and under General and Siri, you can actually turn on or off the Always Listening Siri. So if I have the Listening Siri on and it's plugged in and charging, I can have the iPad be in sleep mode and I can say, "Hey Siri, hey Siri," and she will respond and look up exactly what I want her to look up. The next one is going to be with messages. They did quite a bit with your messages. On the side here now, you have your camera and you actually have the option to take a picture right away, or you can take a video right away. And if you don't want to do either, then you just let go of your finger and it'll disappear them both. So if I take a picture right away, once I release it, it'll put it into the message and send it right away for you, which is kind of nice. You also have the option of creating an audio and sending an audio right away, and as you can see, it's recording, and when I let up, it sends that. The only thing though is that audio only works with iMessage to iMessage, so that's one thing to note. Another neat thing is that when you create a group message, you actually have the option to delete yourself from the conversation. So you can remove yourself from the conversation. If this area is grayed out, that actually means that someone within the conversation either is not on iOS 8 or is not on an iPhone. Therefore, you cannot be removed from the conversation because it uses it as a text message and not as an actual iMessage then. So this will only work when you are using iMessage and everyone is on an iPhone. The last one that I want to show is actually within the Notifications Center. So when you slide down, you have the notifications that come up as normal, and then you have the edit button down here. So the edit button actually allows you to add in notifications and remove certain notifications. So if I don't want my calendars to show up in my notifications, I can remove it, and then if I want to add it back in, I do have the option of adding it back in. I also can move these around too. And as of right now, these are just the ones that are allowed to go on the Notification Center, but Apple has opened it up to third-party apps, so they can start adding in notifications also. So keep an eye out in the settings to see if that app has included a notification. And those are just a few tips on the new iOS 8.